Welcome to MathLab. Today, you're on your journey to discover division of decimals by using a moving object. Decimals are fractions whose denominators are powers of 10. Today, you're provided with a lab observation sheet, a magnetic whiteboard, and 2 magnets. Yes, indeed, your magnets will represent the decimal point and serve as the moving object. Before we get on with problems in division, there are a few concepts we need to understand. Now, write 0.0723 on your board and keep the magnet as the decimal point. Make sure you have provided some space between the numbers. If I multiply 0.0723 by 10, then how does the decimal point move? The decimal will move one place to the right. The mnemonic here is 10 has 1 0, so the decimal point moves one place to the right when you multiply. So 0.0723 into 10 is nothing but 0.723. If I multiply 0.0723 by 100, then the decimal moves 2 places to the right. So move your magnet 2 places to the right. Can I say 0.0723 into 100 is nothing but 7.23? What do you think is the answer to multiplying 0.0723 by 1000? So, the decimal point will move 3 places to the right because there are 3 zeros in 1000. So, our answer is 72.3. Now, multiply 0.0723 by 100,000 or 1 lakh. Let us see what happens. Count the number of zeros in 100,000. There are 5 zeros. This means that the decimal point of the magnet has to move 5 places to the right. So let me mark the places for you. So right here, my decimal has moved 1, 2, 3 and 4 places to the right. However, when the decimal point moves 4 places to the right, there is no number after 3. So what do? We add a few more zeros after 3. Right here I have added 2 more zeros. So the decimal point has to move 1 more space. Can you guess the answer? Yes, indeed, the answer is 7230. We will use this while solving problems in division of decimals. Let us consider 1.5 divided by 0.5. The first rule is that you will multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same power of 10 such that the denominator is no longer a decimal. Observe the denominator closely. We know 0.5 into 10 is equal to 5. That is, the decimal of the magnet moves 1 place to the right. So, if I multiply the numerator and the denominator of 1.5 by 0.5 by 10, my problem becomes equal to 15 by 5. Now, while doing your working, remember the numerator is the dividend, so it goes inside the division operation. The denominator is the divisor and you will write it outside. We know 5 into 3 is 15. So, the answer to 1.5 divided by 5 is nothing but 3. Let us consider 0.025 divided by 0.05. Observe your denominator. There are 2 digits after the decimal point. So by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 100, our problem is equal to 2.5 by 5. Remember, the numerator is the dividend, the denominator is the divisor. Remember to write your question on the magnetic whiteboard with spaces between each digit. Use your magnet as the decimal point. By moving the magnet, you will discover this concept of how the decimal point moves. Now, let us divide 2.5 by 5. We know that 2 is less than 5. So place a 0. Put the decimal point and bring 5 down. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So our answer is 0.5. Have fun discovering division of decimals using a moving object.